subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe. And also,
hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Farwa. Today I'm here for a video which is called review about Ministar HD primer. So on that few videos I am not giving you guys a shout out, so sorry for that. So today's shout out goes to these persons, and the video is on the request of Sanya Kade. A special shout out for her. She is the one who followed me on Instagram, and she followed me on my YouTube, and she talks with me on my Instagram. So now you have to follow me on my Instagram, because now these days I'm using Instagram. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go. So this primer has SPF. This is SPF 40 PA+++. You guys can see here, and this primer is lightweight. Like, this primer is really lightweight, and if you have pores, so it is not gonna cover your pores, because this is like a moisturizing primer. This is like a sticky primer in which your makeup can stick for long. So I'm gonna put in here. So as you guys can see here, you guys can see it is like a smoothing primer, and when it's going to your skin, it's like a sticky one. It's like if your skin becomes sticky, like that. Primers are just sticky to just stick your makeup for whole day long. And guys, the fan is off for you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna do anything for you guys. So let it go to our skin. So then we're gonna go. So now it's like dry and it's like a bit sticky, cause obviously it has to be sticky. So it's like a bit sticky. And this primer claims that it is paraben free and fragrance free, which is true. No, the fragrance a bit, but it's like a so mild smell, which I love. I love to smell it wholly. It is good smell, yeah. And it is lightweight and easy to apply, soft skins, and enhance makeup, help makeup stay on longer, yeah.